Hello everyone. Right now I am in front of camera because to practice speaking, and every day I have come in the same room because to practice speaking in front of camera. And right now I am we are three people in this room. They are always enjoying my speaking, and but they're also in beginner level. I am also in beginner, so that's why we practice together in this room. So I always asked him to some question, then they will answer in English, and they also will ask me some question, I will answer in English. So that's why in this way we are improving our English fluency. And talking in front of camera, it also a great way to improve English speaking. And right now I am always in my room. Staying in my room, I will make video. And if I go outside, it also improve more, because going outside, if we take videos in front of lots of people, because it also improve our courage, and also reduce our shyness. And we will be able to talk to everyone. But right now I didn't talk to everyone, but I am always stay in my room. Then day by day I will improve my English. Then I will go to outside to describe the natural beauties. And also I will visit some place like National Zoo. Then I will make videos there to improve my English speaking. And if you want to make your skill in English, you have to practice more, because practice more makes a man progress. It is also everyone telling. So you have to try your best. I am also trying my best to improve my fluency. Okay. And so you are always try, keep practicing and improve your English skill.